Today we are looking at a Clipper A.T. Ferrell Debearder. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt. The electric motor has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt. It is a 15 horsepower, 3-phase, 220, 440 volt, 3-phase electric motor. As I said, this unit has been completely brought through the shop. It is ready to go to work. The unit has all new bearings, has the burp gate here with the adjustable weights. This is how you change the dwell time inside the Debearder chamber. All the knives have been inspected and are in great condition. This unit is ready to go to work, like I said. The unit has been completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.